scary. It's scary. You know, you have so many high rises going up. You have a building going up every week, it seems like, around here. So basically, I was walking across the street because our yard is by the Intrepid, and I looked up and saw the crane on fire and realized that nobody was up there at all. Like, there's no water, there's no movement. And when I came out to call 911, I actually watched the crane fall. My reaction was like, oh my gosh, I hope there's nobody downstairs. You know, it's like, there's so many things going on. It's 7 o'clock in the city, you know, 7 o'clock in the morning. People are going to school, summer camp. Watching the crane fall from the building is something that I've never seen before. Don't ever want to see that again.